Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rosalie Santos. I am the niece of Juliet Carmelita Velasquez, and I am representing the relatives here in Pasig, the Santos clan. We would like to thank all those who come over to pay respect to her and celebrate this occasion prepared by our relatives in Las Vegas. Okay, to start with, today, as we celebrate the 40th day of Judith, we recall her as a person who could turn a quick visit into a full event and a quiet room into a mahjong party. She was bubbly, the way Soda wishes it could be, always popping with energy and laughter and opinions which nobody asked for. That is just to have something to talk about. She never entered the room quietly and never left without a story, and somehow make an even ordinary day feel special occasion. Her loud voice, her loud laughs, her unique talents for making life loud, and a whole lot more fun will be missed by everyone. And so the Santos family would like to express our deepest gratitude to our family in Las Vegas. Those who, our family in Las Vegas who adopted her and spoiled her, with a special mention to my nieces, the Masanke sisters, Lisel and Jinky, the Martin siblings, Ranji and Shannon, the gentlemen at Pataling Hog, Ronnie, Andre and Adam, the Hutchins, Roger, Tracy and Mary, her constant casino buddy, Hector, and of course, our dear Kuya Jerry, and the dearest Ate LB. Our family in Las Vegas are the ones who always listen with her fully. They're the ones who forgive her generously and love her unconditionally, and give her without keeping a score. We can say that Chalit's being around with them feels like exhaling because Chalit's knew that she was accepted exactly as she is. Thank you guys for the love, care, and kindness you have shown to our Chalit's during and after her time with you. Knowing that she was looked after with such compassion brings us comfort. Thank you for your sacrifices and support, and for giving her a shelter, treating her like your own, and spoiling her with your love and care. We will always be grateful and keep you in our thoughts and prayers. Thank you, and have a good day.